I'm going to be migrating Synapse Dedicated Pool database to Fabric warehouse. Of course, it makes sense when going from cloud to cloud database, run Omni Loader in the cloud. That's the most performant. So I'm gonna click New Project, Full Table Copy, Synapse Dedicated Pool, and then I'm going to select our saved connection, and I'm going to start with SQL Select. That's, let's say, the standard mode. PolyBase is actually more performant, but SQL Select is maybe more familiar. So I suggest for a large database to always go with PolyBase, but SQL Select is nice as it gives us the progress bars and a very easy experience. So let's go with SQL Select here and wait until we manage to connect to Synapse Dedicated Pool. And now we're going to go into Fabric Warehouse here. Again, select a saved connection here and click Finish. Now we are reading metadata from both Synapse Dedicated Pool and Fabric Warehouse. Once we read the database structure, we won't need to do that again. All right, so in our Synapse Dedicated Pool, we have over 2 billion records here. I'm going to select just some of the tables, but let's sort by size and maybe move a few of these. All right, so that's all there is. Let's move 500 million records. Now we are opening connections to source and target. And we have already started copying. Some of the tables are copied using multiple slices, and the smaller ones are not sliced to avoid having to open too many connections. So this is just an optimization on our end. We are moving 2.2 million records per second, going from Synapse Dedicated Pool into Fabric Warehouse. If you look at the task manager, we see that our CPU is at 62% and we are moving roughly 2 gigabits per second. If we opened more connections, we'd be able to move data even faster, but we want to avoid many small files for ingestions into Fabric Warehouse. Okay, so this is all there is. As the tables are being copied, they are already being ingested, while the others are still being prepared.